Hello everyone, I am Shane Natividad and today I'll be discussing the examples of recursion. So recursion is a programming technique where a function calls itself to solve a problem. A recursive function always has two main parts, the base case, which stops the recursion, and the recursive case, which breaks the problem into smaller parts. So the first example of a recursion is a factorial of a number. For example, the factorial of 5 is written as 5 factorial. Instead of calculating everything at once, recursion solves it step by step. So the function keeps calling itself by reducing the number until it reaches 1. When it reaches the base case, the function stops and returns the final result. So the second example of a recursion is the Fibonacci sequence. So in this sequence, each number is the sum of two previous numbers. A recursive function calculates the Fibonacci numbers by calling itself twice to find the previous two values. So the base case occurs when the number is 0 or 1. Another example is counting down numbers. A function can print numbers from 5 to 1 by printing the current number and then calling itself with a smaller value. The recursion stops when the number reaches 0. A third example is drawing shapes in computer graphics such as a tree or a snowflake. Each branch looks like a smaller version of the whole tree. The program draws one branch and then calls itself to smaller branches until the branches become too small to draw. So another real-life example is family trees. Each person has parents, and those parents have their own parents. A recursive program can trace a person's ancestors by calling itself for each parent until there are no more records. So, in conclusion, recursion is useful for solving problems that repeat the same structure. It helps programmers handle complex tasks in a simple and organized way. That is all. Thank you.